Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rookies, and today we are going to unbox the RealMe X2 Pro. This is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage version, which is available for around 32k on Flipkart. The first thing we get is the instruction manual, the quick start guide, and a plastic clear case. The quality of which is okay. We also get a super BOOC charging brick that has a charging capacity of 50 mAh. The size is very similar as compared to the OnePlus charger. We also get a Type-C cable. Let's remove the plastic off and take a look at the phone itself. The white is looking really beautiful on the phone. That's the quad camera setup. That's the RealMe logo. Let's set up the phone real quick. This is the Type-C port and the headphone jack. This is how the interface looks, and this is the camera app. This is how the phone looks with the case. The phone overall looks decent. Thank you for watching Tech Rookies. See you in the next one.